Okay. Name at the end of the letter, not your name. Clear?
Okay.
In case of formal letter, you need to take a look at those things very closely. So the date will be in this way, or the address will be in this way, that the address, sometimes they will provide you address in the question. Remember, you have to write only that address which have been provided in question, not your own address. If there is no address given, then memorize one address and write it down there. Okay, just memorize one address and write it down there as your address. Then you should write the date in this way. Never write that 30/1/2021. No need to write in this way, but you have to write the date in this format, that 23rd or 30th, th, it should be th, 30th January 2021, 19th April 2022, in this format. Then
Okay.
receiver's designation and address. Receiver's designation and address, if they ask you to write to a local newspaper or editor or something, then write the editor here. No need to write to the editor. Clear? No need to mention to there. Only starts in this way, the editor. Choose any one newspaper of your own choice, like Times of India or the Telegraph, the Hindu. Next, the Delhi 007. In this way you could conclude with the address. Clear? Then you need to write subject. Remember, while writing subject, you have to write every first letter of any word in capital letter, except article and preposition. Clear? Except
Yes, sir.
article and preposition, you have to write every first letter of every words in capital letter. Here I have written ki ban on poly bags or plastic bags. So B should be in capital letter. On is a preposition over here, so no need to write that in capital letter. Poly bags or plastic bags, P capital letter, B capital letter. After writing the subject, you need to underline only these portions which you are going to discuss at the later portion of your letter. ठीक? Underline the subject, not this one.
Okay.
Only this one. See, here the underline portion is given. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then give one space. Write down salutation like sir. Only sir. No dear sir. No need to mention dear sir. Okay. Write down sir. Then comma. Start your body just at the bottom of S. ठीक? You need to write or start your letter in this way, in which I have mentioned, but you can choose any format according to your own choice. There are several formats. I will show you part by part, but you can start in this way. This is the best possible options that you can choose. Ki through the editorial columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to draw your attention regarding, now regarding, after that few dots are given, matlab you need to mention the subject over here which you are going to discuss over throughout the entire body of the letter. After discussing the problem or criteria which you are going to highlight here, conclude your letter in this way, thanking you. And if the word count is not met, if the word count is not met, they will ask you to write a letter 120 to 150 words. And if you see that the word counts is not met, then you can add those things there. Looking forward your active cooperation, full stop. Clear?
Yes,
After
sir.
completing that, you need to focus here, like yours faithfully or yours obediently. Remember, Y should be in capital letter and there is no apostrophe s over here because it is possessive pronoun, ठीक, not noun. So yours faithfully, no need to put comma over there, ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if the name is not mentioned in question, you need to conclude the letter in X, Y, Z mode. If they provide you any name, you need to write only that name over here. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt up to this?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay. Chalo. So I have given one examples of letter over here. Look at this letter carefully. Okay, write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern about the health hazard caused by the use of pesticides. Do you know the meaning of pesticides?
Yes, sir.
What is this? It is the chemicals that we use to protect
Sir, crops from insects.
yes, crops from insects or vegetables from insects and other harmful chemicals. So pesticide can also cause harm to our body as well, isn't it? So what
Yes,
are the
sir.
health hazards that can cause by the use of pesticides or harmful chemicals? So it is a name given over here that you are Rohan or Rohini. So by this you can easily assume that you need to write your name as Rohan or Rohini over here. ठीक? So look at the question carefully. There is no address given. So you need to assume one address and write it down there. I have written the address in this way, like 15 MG Road, Bangalore. Khatam kahani. Then given the address in this way ki 30th January 2021. Then the designation, the editor, the Indian Times or the Indian Express, the Telegraph, the Hindu, anything you like, New Delhi. Subject, write down subject over here, not sub. Okay, you can write in this format the sub, but it would be better if you write subject, SUBJECT, colon, give colon, then health hazards of pesticides. It is written over here, so you have to choose subjects according to your own perspective. And remember that no need to write the subject more than 6 or 7 words. Take, you should try to restrict the subject matter within 6 or 7 words. So health hazards of pesticides, H capital letter, P over here. So health hazards of pesticides. Of is a preposition, that's why no need to write it in capital letter, except that H capital letter, the first letter of every word should be capital letter in case of subject. Then underline it, health hazards of pesticide. Chalo, clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now designation, put comma after it, after writing the salutation, or designation after writing the salutation, like sir. Look at here very closely. I have started T just bottom of S or just below of S. Take. So I have mentioned over here that everything should be left aligned. Left aligned means you need to start everything from the left corner of your page. Like through the editorial columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authority regarding the increasing number of health hazards caused by the use of pesticides. So regarding, up to this, it is common for every letter, isn't it? Through the
Yes, sir.
editorial columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to draw the attention, I would like to express my opinion. The columns of your esteemed daily, जहाँ पे आप लिखते हैं, for why? To draw करने के लिए, to draw the attention of the concerned authority. किसको? Concerned authority को, जिसके पास वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, हु आर assigned with that responsibility to look into the matter regarding the increasing number of health hazards caused by the use of pesticide. ठीक, caused, it is not at all past tense but it is in past participle form. Which are caused, health hazards which are caused, it is written in passive mode. ठीक, passive voice mode. We can omit which are in this way. कि इसको हम omit कैसे कर सकते हैं? In this way कि which are caused, which are is eliminated over here. ठीक, so health hazards which are caused by the use of pesticides. In other way you can write the sentence in this way also, that health hazards which, or comma, increasing number of health hazards, comma दे दो यहाँ पे, caused by the use of pesticides. किसके द्वारा होते हैं? যখনই কিছু द्वारा, उसके द्वारा, किसी के द्वारा, तो फिर we will use passive mode. So which are caused, passive mode means auxiliary verb plus V3. So here it is not at all necessary. We can use the passive mode by providing a comma after this. So number of health hazards caused by the use of pesticides. Clear? Okay. Now write your own words here. You have to write your own words here. How it causes harm to us. Do you have any idea? Like
Yes, sir.
excess,
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
when it rains, then the pesticides mixes with the river or pond's water. Then it is harmful for the fishes as well as humans.
Okay, so write those things over here. ठीक, add 2 or 3 more points. ठीक, you need to
Yes, sir.
cover it by yourself. ठीक, cover
Okay,
it by
sir.
yourself, then send it to me.
Okay,
After
sir.
that, after adding 2 or 3 points over here, you need to conclude your letter in this way कि I, therefore, request you to write a few words regarding this, so that the concerned authority get risen from its slumber. Slumber means deep sleep. ठीक, जो कि सोए हुए है. The authority which is in deep slumber. Through this letter I want to make him or make that authority awake. ठीक, that concerned authority get risen from its slumber and take needful to reduce this menace as early as possible. Clear? So this section you can add with every possible formal letter which will be concentrate on editorial writing, isn't it? कि editorial letter যত থাকবে, you can add these sorts of phrases or sentences in every aspect. ठीक, so I therefore request you to write a few words regarding this, so that the concerned authority get risen from its slumber and take needful to and not take needful, write down do needful. Take do needful and do needful to reduce this menace as early as possible. menace का मतलब क्या है? To reduce this problem, reduce this terrible problem. ठीक, reduce this grotesque situations, something bad menace means. Okay, so looking forward your active cooperation, thanking you. So you can use the words up to this regarding in every possible letter, and this concluding section of the letter in every possible letter, which will be referred towards editorial writing. ठीक, next, yours faithfully, no apostrophe s over here. You need to choose one name from here. If you are male, then choose Rohan. If you are female, then choose Rohini. ठीक, okay. So add few words or few points according to your perceptions over here. এটাকে add করবে.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
বলো, any doubt up to this?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay. Take a screenshot of this slide. You need to take.
Sir, I have taken.
Okay, you need to take a screenshot of every slide. Then
Yes,
only
sir,
you could
sir.
note it in your exercise book. Now another examples is given over here. This is very important. This question has been asked in examinations very frequently. Like you are Shubham or Shuravi, a resident of R block, Shivaji Nagar, Mumbai. So the address has been provided. You need to write down the address accordingly. For the past few days, now problem kya hai? What is the problem over here? For the past few days, you have been noticing that garbage is not being removed from your area. People cannot bear the stinking smell and unhygienic condition caused by this garbage. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper to draw the attention of concerned authority to take necessary actions. They have also mentioned 2 or 3 points over here. You need to add accordingly. कि सेंटेंस में कुछ भी तरीके से ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स है इसको ऐड करना है. तो राइट ए लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर टू ड्रॉ द अटेंशन ऑफ कंसर्न्ड अथॉरिटीज टू टेक नेसेसरी एक्शंस. You need to write a letter to the editor to raise the concerned authority from slumber. So the question, the sender's address is mentioned just like it is given or provided in the question. R block, Shivaji Nagar, Mumbai. Clear? Then provide
Yes,
the
sir.
address over here. 10th May 2021. 10th May, 2021. You need to write that date on which you are writing this letter. ঠিক?
Yes, sir.
যেদিন তুমি লিখছো সেই দিনই ডেটটা মেনশন করবে. Next, the designation. After leaving one space, put designation, the editor, the Telegraph, New Delhi. I'm saying it again, no need to mention 2 over here. This was obsolete format. Take, no need to mention 2 over here. Then subject,
Okay, sir.
put colon, then garbage heaps on roads. What is the subject matter which is going to be discussed throughout the letter? Garbage heaps or heaps of garbage on roads. Take, you can either write garbage hyphen heaps on roads or heaps of garbage on roads. It will be the proper constructions of phrases like heaps of garbage on roads. Clear? Modify the subject in this way ki heaps of garbage on roads. Then put salutation over here, sir, comma, start T just below the S. Through the columns of your reputed newspaper, I have started this in different form. You can choose this form or this form. It's up to you. I will recommend that write in this way through the editorial columns of your esteemed daily. It will be better for you. But you can start your letter in this way also. Through the columns of your reputed newspaper, I wish to draw your kind attention to the filthy sight created by heaps of garbage. Filthy means dirty. ठीक? Dirty, poisonous, rubbish.
Okay.
So filthy sight created by heaps of garbage on the main road of our area. This is informed here कि removed from your area. So this was gathered, or they were gathered, those garbage were gathered on the main road of your area. Now what will happen? What does happen there? The pile goes on increasing day by day. Isn't it? You can see everywhere in your area that কোথাও না কোথাও দেখবে heaps of garbage জমি আছে, and day by day it is increasing. ঠিক? So the pile is singular in form, therefore you need to add s or is with the main verb over here. The pile goes on increasing day by day. After every preposition we add ing form whenever a main verb is used after it. प्रीपोजिशन के बाद कुछ अगर मेन वर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम लोग तो आईएनजी फॉर्म इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसके साथ. सो द पाइल गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. यू कैन सी द एग्जैक्ट सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर हैज बीन मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर, एंड द सेंटेंस इज रिटन इन व्हिच टेंस?
Sir, present continuous.
No, not at all. Simple present
Sir,
tense.
simple present.
Here is no
Sir,
auxiliary verb over here.
sir, which one? Goes. That's one. That one.
This is main verb V1 form. The pile is subject. V1. Take V1. Then there is no direct object of subject over here. Rather the other was like on increasing day by day. After using preposition, if we use any verb, it will take ing form. This is basic rules. কি প্রিপোজিশনের পরে যে ভার্বটা আসুক না কেন সেটা আইএনজি ফর্ম নাই, পার্টিকুলারলি মেইন ভার্ব যদি আসে তাহলে আইএনজি ফর্ম নেয়। ক্লিয়ার? সো দ্য পাইল গোজ অন ইনক্রিজিং ডে বাই ডে। ঠিক? The sentence is written in simple present tense as well as the meaning of the sentence is কি পাইল যেটা জমা হয় সেটা রোজ দিনে দিনে বাড়ছে। এটাকে তুমি ট্রান্সলেট করছো the pile goes on increasing day by day. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
It emits. Emits means uncover or বেরোচ্ছে কোথা থেকে? কি বেরোচ্ছে? A foul stench. Stench means bad smell. Bad smell. ঠিক? It emits a foul smell. Foul means bad, stench means smell. So stench means bad smell as well. So it emits a foul stench. It has become difficult to pass by the way. কি আমরা ওখান থেকে যেতে পারি না। So it has become difficult to pass that way. We have to cover our noses. So if that garbage stinks, foul smell every day, so you need to cover your noses, take to avoid that bad smell which is emitting from that heaps of garbages. So this garbage is also breeding insects which are dangerous to human health. Breeding means which are cultivating, মানে ওখানে জন্মাচ্ছে। Insects like flies, mosquitoes, these are all dangerous for our health, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So these 2 or 3 points has been added over here. Next, it is time to conclude the letter. So I should conclude the letter in this way. Ki I, therefore, request you to publish my letter in your newspaper so as to draw the attention of the concerned authorities who are still in deep slumber. You can write or conclude the letter in this way or this way. It's up to you.
Okay,
ठीक?
sir.
Okay. Thanking you. You can also add looking forward your active cooperation. You can add that. Then write yours faithfully, Shubham. It is mentioned over here, Shubham or Surabhi. You have chosen Shubham. ठीक?
Yes, sir.
Note it down in your exercise book as well. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, another topic I have mentioned over here, which is also very important. Nuisance caused by loudspeakers during examinations. এক্সামিনেশন যখন তোমার সামনে থাকে দেখবে লাউড স্পিকারে অনেক চিৎকার চেঁচামেচি হতে থাকে মাইক যখন বাজায়। সো দেয়ার উইল বি ল্যাক অফ কনসেন্ট্রেশন, ইজন্ট ইট?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we face it every days when there is no lockdown. The party's rally was going on. ঠিক পথসভা যেটা বলে লোকাল publish of news on regular intervals, the speeches of famous councillors and ministers as well. So loudspeaker, the noise that emits from loudspeaker, it can cause too much difficulty for our health as well. So the letter has been given to write on the demerits of loudspeaker. So the question is mentioned in this way, that you are Prabhu Kumar or Pravati of 17E Ravidas Road, Kochi. Again address is mentioned over here. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the editor of a newspaper about the nuisance. Nuisance means problems. Okay? Difficulties caused by loudspeaker in the city during examination days, drawing attention the concerned authorities to the problem. Okay, I have started the letter writing this address accordingly. 17E Ravidas Road, Kochi. Write down date 10th May 2021. Designation the editor, Times of India, Kochi. Subject nuisance caused by loudspeakers during examination. ठीक, okay. Remember one thing, you are writing to the editor, ठीक, so you need to mention that city as common for both these cases, because you will be instructed to write letter to the local newspaper. ঠিক, লোকাল নিউজপেপার তো আর চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায় না সিটিটা, তুমি নিশ্চয়ই কলকাতায় বসে দিল্লিতে লিখবে না, যদি তোমাকে বলে তুমি লিখতে পারো, বাট অলওয়েজ প্রেফার দ্য সেম সিটি।
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the subject is nuisance caused by loudspeakers during examinations. You can see every first letter of every words is capital by form. Underline. Salutation. Through the editorial columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authority towards the nuisance caused by loudspeaker during examination. Now the demerits, give 2 or 3 points. The annual examination are approaching near. Now this sentence is written in which tense? The
Sir, the annual examinations are approaching near this sentence.
Yes.
Sir, present continuous.
Good. Are approaching near means এগিয়ে আসছে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি. The loudspeakers keep blaring. Blaring means making noise. The loudspeaker keep blaring throughout the night, due to which we are unable to prepare ourselves for the examinations. The noise produced by the speakers infers in our study, and we are unable to concentrate on it, or interferes, so not infers, interferes in our study, and we are unable to concentrate in it. ठीक, just basics, add basics 2 or 3 points over here. No need
Okay,
to add too much points, or there is no need to mention high thinking ability. ठीक, just basics 2 or 3 points could make it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write down, I therefore request you to write few words so that the concerned authority takes needful steps to stop blaring loudspeaker, blaring of loudspeaker korbe ekhane, of loudspeakers during the examination days. Students are the future of our country, we should keep that in mind. You have also provided some advice over here, so you can add all those things. Next, thanking you, again yours faithfully. You can put comma over here, or else, okay, no need to write comma over here, dorkar nei comma debar. Okay, if your school asks you to mention over here, then you can put. Take.
Okay.
Okay, but according to my opinion or perceptions, if these questions will ask in board examinations, I will suggest no need to give comma over here. Take. The board examination এগুলো কোনো দরকার হয় না, so it's up to the schools. যেহেতু তোমাদের স্কুল তোমরা জানোই how they will behave. So then Prabhu Kumar, in this way you need to conclude the letter. Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay, so I have given one homework for you over here. Take a screenshot of it and write it down accordingly, taking help from those previous letters. Nowadays we see the rise of prices, so the subject will be rise of prices of essential commodities. Take, this is very easy, write it down, and now you should write this letter and send it to me. Ban on polybags. Take, this is the format is provided. Please write this letter according to your own words and send it to me, and also complete this letter. এখানেও যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো, যে পয়েন্টসগুলো আমি অ্যাড করতে বললাম সেগুলোকে অ্যাড করে নেবে। ক্লিয়ার?
Okay, sir.
Okay, চলো, তো write that letter and send it to me now.
Okay, sir.
চলো, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, good night.
Good night.